One negative to getting recycled material is the rust. I'm going to have to grind every joint where it's going to be welded, so that's going to slow me down a little bit, but for the price, I can work through that. I need 2 tubes that are going to slip over the forks, and this is going to be the base of the foundation I can weld everything on top of. I'm choosing to spread the forks pretty wide to give me the maximum stability. And then I'm welding it all together with some 045 dual shield flux core wire. Once I got everything all squared up with the monster square, I installed what I call a tack bar. This is going to keep the legs at a set distance. That way when I go to erect it, it's going to land exactly where I want it.